Espresso capsules? Well, hold on to your mugs because I've got some great news for you. By refilling and reusing those Nespresso pods, you're not just saving money, you're saving the planet too. And who knew being eco-friendly could taste so good? Let's talk numbers, folks. Welcome to Coffee Math 101. Picture this. A box of Nespresso's finest capsules can set you back around $1.32 each. Ouch, right? But fear not, penny pinchers. Here's where the magic happens. With a little DIY spirit and some good old coffee beans, you can refill those pods for just around 48 cents a pop. That's less than half the price. We're talking savings here, people. Now, let's break it down. Say you're a 1 cup a day kind of person. That's a sweet $25.45 extra in your pocket each month, or a whopping $305.38 a year. And hey, if you're like me and need a little extra pep in your step, doubling or tripling those savings is as easy as, well, making another cup. It's like finding money in your coffee cup. But wait, there's more. I'll hook you up with all the tools you need to start your money-saving, eco-friendly coffee journey. Just check the link in the description below. Spoiler alert, it's Amazon. Because where else would you go for everything under the sun? In addition to the joys of crafting your own personalized coffee experience, investing in a Nespresso Capsules Virtuo Line machine brings a myriad of advantages that elevate your morning routine. Firstly, the machine itself is a marvel of modern engineering, designed to extract maximum flavor and aroma from each capsule with precision and efficiency. This means you can consistently enjoy a rich, velvety cup of coffee every time, whether you prefer an espresso shot to kickstart your day or a creamy latte to savor in the afternoon. Moreover, the Virtuo Line machine offers the convenience of one-touch brewing, allowing you to indulge in your favorite coffee creations with minimal effort. No more fussing with complicated settings or waiting in long lines at your local coffee shop. With an espresso machine at home, barista-quality coffee is just moments away. And let's not forget about the versatility of the Virtuo Line system, which not only accommodates a wide range of coffee blends but also offers options for delicious creamy froth or hot milk to complement your beverage. With its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and unparalleled performance, a Nespresso Capsules Virtuo Line machine is truly the ultimate coffee companion for any coffee enthusiast. So, why settle for ordinary when you can elevate your coffee game to extraordinary heights? Experience the difference for yourself and make every cup a moment to savor with Nespresso. But before we jump into the coffee-filled adventure, let's talk about the tools you'll need to make this magic happen. It's as simple as 5 items. 1. The appropriate size spoon, for scooping the perfect amount of coffee grounds into your capsules. 2. The holder for the coffee pod. This handy little gadget keeps your capsules steady while you work your caffeinated magic. 3. The funnel, not just any funnel, mind you. This is what you'll use to make the perfect seal between the lid and the capsule after filling it with delicious coffee goodness. 4. The tamper. Give your coffee grounds a gentle pack with this tool to ensure a perfectly brewed cup every time. And don't forget, a quick tap with the tamper cleans off any excess coffee from the edges. 5. Foil coffee pod lids, the final touch to seal in the flavor and freshness of your economically refilled coffee pods. With these tools by your side, you'll be a coffee filling pro in no time. Before we dive into filling the capsules, if you found this information helpful, we would appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, consider subscribing to our channel. It would greatly support us as we grow. Alright, coffee enthusiasts, now that we've got our tools at the ready, let's dive into the art of refilling those capsules. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1. The prep work. First things first, grab your empty Nespresso capsules and get ready for a little DIY action. Simply pull the top off the capsule and use a spoon to remove the old coffee grounds. Easy peasy, right? Give those capsules a good rinse, and then set them out to dry. Pro tip, I like to do this the night before so they're ready to roll come morning. Step 2. Filling them up. Now that your capsules are squeaky clean and bone dry, it's time to get filling. Gather them up into a neat stack and bust out the tools I've linked in the description below. Trust me, they'll make. Step 3. Sealing the deal. Once your capsules are filled to the brim with your favorite Java, it's time to seal the deal. Center a coffee lid on the top of each capsule and use the filling funnel to press the foil lid firmly onto the capsule. And here's a pro tip for you. Take a second to ensure those edges are nice and secure. Ain't nobody got time for leaky capsules. Step 4. Rinse and repeat now. Wasn't that easy? Rinse and repeat until you've filled up the desired number of capsules. It's like a caffeinated assembly line. And before you know it, you'll have a stash of customized coffee capsules ready to fuel your day. So there you have it, folks. Say goodbye to buyer's remorse and hello to a world of savings and delicious, customized coffee. It's time to refill, reuse, and rejoice in every sip. Cheers to saving money, saving the planet, and savoring every drop of that golden goodness. Until next time, keep brewing and stay caffeinated, my friends.